Hello everyone, this is Priya from Techkriti Software. In this presentation, we will see how to ask browser to cache the static files and how to apply expiry date for the cached static files. Today's tip comes from Vaibhav Jain, a Drupal ninja from Techkriti Software. Vaibhav is a hardworking person and believes in continuous innovations. Thank you Vaibhav for such a valuable tip. We really appreciate that. On every web page, there will be objects which do not change, and there will be items or objects which change from user to user. What if we can enable browser to cache all those static objects and not load them every time we are sending a request for that particular web page? I'm sure it will reduce the load on server by huge amount and definitely increase the performance of our website. Let's see how we can do this. To explain this in a better way, I am taking the example of a basic Drupal installation. I also have Bicelo installed on my system. We can see that when we are loading this page, 18 HTTP requests are sent from the browser to the server. Each of those 18 requests corresponding for each object to be loaded. One HTML file, one JavaScript file, 3 style sheet file, 9 CSS images, 4 images. Most of these files are static files which remains the same every time we load the page. We have not cached any of these files yet. So every time you load the page, same number of HTTP requests would be sent to the server. That results in slow performance of the website. Now let's see how to enable caching for the static files and increase the performance of the website. Go to Apache modules and enable Apache's expires module. As I'm working on a Windows system, I'm using a WAMP server. Open the .htaccess file in the Drupal root directory. Here, we are asking the browser to cache all files except .php files and apply an expiry of 2 weeks. The code lines expires default A1209600 is specifying the 2-week time period in seconds. When the request for a page is done for the first time, the browser will send request to fetch all files. It will now cache all the files for next 2 weeks. Since the expiry is set for 2 weeks, on every subsequent request for the same page within the 2 weeks period, browser will load the stored files from cache and not send requests to the server. This will reduce the number of HTTP requests and increase the performance. Let's see the impact of this code on our basic Drupal installation. As you can see that browser has now cached all the static files and there is a drastic change in the number of HTTP requests. It has come down from 18 to 1. So there is only one hit on the server. This will continue for next 2 weeks as cache has applied 2 weeks of expiry date on these static files. This way we can increase the performance of a website and can decrease the page load time. This being a basic Drupal installation, so you will not see significant improvement. In an actual website, this step will give you significant results. Thank you.